We have a fairly active weather threat index as we head into Sunday tomorrow. A very high chance of rain, wind, and we do have surf and a marine warning in place. Low chance of fog. We'll get to all those advisories in just a moment. But for the windward Mauka areas, you have about an 80% chance of rain throughout the day tomorrow. And that's going to also leave the room for a chance of slight thunderstorms with the instability. Leeward areas, you'll see some showers in the morning, but expecting mostly cloud cover as the afternoon comes. You'll see that later on in the afternoon. Now, we have a few features that we've been following. Wet, unstable weather. We have these high clouds blanketing the state as well as instability from an upper level low. And so we're going to see these conditions for the next 24 to 36 hours. Right now, for the island of Kauai, there is a flash flood warning. That means flash flooding is imminent, as we mentioned, for the northern portions of Kauai. So be careful. If you can stay inside and off those roads, I highly suggest that, as Kauai is in for some major rain coming tonight. For Oahu, seeing some showers mainly for windward and Mauka areas, but because we saw so much rain in the last couple of days, those grounds are nice and saturated, so we could see some flooding again and possibly in the leeward area. Also, a lot of rain tonight happening on the northern portion of Hawaii Island. Again, wet evening ahead, everybody. If you can, stay inside because the wet weather is sticking around. Now, looking ahead, again, 24 to 36 hours, but we do see some relief as we go into Monday morning. We return to more of our typical trade wind weather pattern. Strong high pressure system to the northwest of the islands going to deliver trade winds 15 to 30 miles per hour with possible gusts of up to 50. So a windy day as well tomorrow. We do have some high surf, 10 to 14 faces on the north shore, 5 to 8 on the east, 6 to 10 on the west, with 2 to 4 on the south shore. Small craft advisory for all of our coastal waters, as well as the high surf that we just mentioned. So be careful, everyone out there. Now, here in town, especially here in Honolulu, cloudy and windy, frequent showers for the Mauka areas, slight chance of thunderstorms. Stick with us through tomorrow. But again, Monday we're going to start to see a lot more sunshine, even though the breezy conditions don't go anywhere. All right, get that KHON2 mobile app. We'll keep you updated all night long with the severe weather. I'll send it back over to Kathy.